Right, so in this video what we're going to do is we're going to talk about displaying information to the user. We'll be using something called a print statement to do this, and all it's going to do is basically display the information we feed it to the terminal down here. And I mean, in another series we could probably get into using GUIs, which are graphical user interfaces, but for now we'll just use that to display to the terminal, which is how you're most likely going to start. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Right, so once I reset the timer we can start talking about displaying information in Python. Okay, so to display information in Python we use the keyword print. Sorry, typing in the wrong place. Print. And you've seen this before when I used the example print hello world. So as we've talked before, when you encase anything in quotes or double quotes, it's a string. So by typing hello world like that in the double quotes, we're saying that that's a string. So the print function itself can print almost anything. It can print all kinds of data. And so by putting the string inside the brackets of the print statement, we're telling it to give the user this string that we just put in. So by the way, to run code, I'm using the command, the hotkey function F5 and then enter, and give it a minute. There you go. You see it prints hello world to the terminal. And this can print anything. It's not just limited to printing strings. So I want to print the number 2, but you know it's not a number, it's called an integer. So say we want to print the integer 2, it will, in a minute, print it. There you go. So if we want to display any kind of information to the user, all we need is this print function. And so all you got to do to use it is type print and then brackets, and whatever you want to print goes into the brackets. Right, one more thing is, actually no, let's leave that for another video. So for now I think we can just end this, as you know how to display basic text to the user. So thank you for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.